If you're a heating and air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, what are the 10 ways for you to prepare to have your best summer ever? And why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Silverman, coming to you live from Haleiwa, Oahu, on a perfect day to talk about sales and business and a fantastic day to talk about you. Okay, so you want to have the best summer ever? We are going to have a big boy, big girl conversation and start with there's going to be things that you do want to do and don't want to do to get to where you need to go. We're going to build out this list. It's going to be comprehensive. So you need to make this decision right now. Like, I am all in. Whether I get frustrated, whether I get angry, whether I get tired, whether I get exhausted, I am all in. This is the big boy, big girl conversation that you got to have, okay? Because here's the thing. Most companies wait till about 15 days before the busy season before they start going, man, we should probably prepare for the busy season. That's the wrong way to do it. Most companies, busy season starts in May, which means you're going to start somewhere around the end of February, beginning of March, going, I am all in on my 10 ways to prepare, okay? So, number one on this list, I personally would take out my phone and I would go to a secluded spot where it is nice for me. I just happen to be at Haleiwa on the North Shore of Oahu, and I do this every time I come out here, and I record my goals. Hey, Scott, here's what we're doing for the next 90 days. Here's what we're going to focus on in about 2.5 minutes. It's about 2.5 minutes. And every single morning, I watch those goals. Every single morning, I like, okay, here's what I'm down for. Because like, there's all the things that happen in life. There's all the distractions and all the problems. But because I can go back and go, hey, here's what my goals are. That's my reason why. That's my North Star, as they call it in business. These are all the reasons I'm going to put up with what I put up with so that I can get through what I need to get through, okay? Number two, plan your vacation. Plan a vacation after the summertime because it gives you a deadline. So August 15th, August 30th, September 1st. And then here's a smart thing for you. Most people start wanting to go like, hey, I got vacation time. And they try to ask for it 30 days in advance. No, my friend, you should be asking for it like 6 months in advance so you can get on the rotation list. Number three on this list, be willing to practice, right? Practice may mean that you get somebody from work and you go off site and you role play every freaking day. You go through the objections, you go through the door approach, you go through all the common things that you go through so that you've got ninja skills where everybody else is practicing on their first call. And you may have to pay somebody to get some help. And that's okay. You may have to pay, right? And other people aren't willing to do it, but you are, you will win, my friend. Now, if you want to be better at sales, you want to be good at what you do, you should absolutely join my email publication, hvactechsecrets.com. I'll give you the goods. Not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel, which means private coaching, private training, discounted coaching, discounted training. It's an email publication. You help me buy Ren Spooner Aloha shirts if I sell stuff, or even take a quarterly trip to Hawaii, okay? Number four, be aware that in a lot of companies, commission gets position. And so, like, you need to have a plan. Like, okay, cool, I'm willing to accept a mini if I can stay up in the top of the rotation. And if the company's telling me, hey, these are the things we want you to do, hey, that's on them. They told you to do it. They said it's okay. I'm on board. Commission gets position. I'm going to have my best summer ever. I got to keep those leads up at the top, okay? Number five, create your stand-up comedy playlist. Do not sleep on this. Today, go find funny stand-up comedy that when you're struggling and you're having a bad day, you can go to your list. You pick your people. Mine are going to be completely different than yours, okay? But you have your list and it's ready to go because you're like, gosh darn it, I'm having a bad day. I'm having a bad day. And you're like, oh, wait a minute. I've got a stand-up comedy set list. I know what I'm going to do, and I know what I'm going to do to get out of this slump, and it's going to be easy. Number six, buy all of your consumables, your paper, your pen, your extra nut drivers that you're going to need if that's what you have. A couple of extra screwdrivers, an extra tool bag. Every season, like in April, when I was a tech, I would buy a brand new tool bag whether I needed it or not. Right? I don't want the old junky one. I want to feel like I'm walking into a season brand new, spent the $100, called it good, you know, always had a nice looking tool bag, always had nice looking tools, okay? Number seven, be willing to work the hours. Commit today. This is the big boy, big girl conversation. I'm willing to work the hours. I'm willing to put in the work. But on number eight, be the squeaky wheel. When there is a problem, you need to go to ownership and management and say, hey, I'm throwing in the flag and saying, we got a problem here. We got an issue. I wish I would have done this more when I was a technician. It would have changed some of the decisions that I had made. And then number nine, create your follow-up plan now. Create your 10 steps to a follow-up. I'll put a link to a video, 10 steps to follow up. right? To get you to everything that you need to be so that you can have 10 ways to follow up, because most people have 2, a text message or a phone call. Are you ready to move forward yet? Right? If you got 10, you got to beat. If you got 20, if you got 20, even better. Okay. And then number 10 on this list, referrals. If you start doing this today and you get really good at this, by the end of summer, you will have amazing numbers. If I had a job going in, there's some houses behind me. Let's say that I was a tech and that house right there on Haleiwa Beach Road was getting a job for a heating and air or a mini split. I would literally go next door, knock on the door, be like, hey, I'm Scott. I don't know if you saw the crews next door, but we're putting a system in. If I could ever answer any questions, you need anything, here's my card, here's my phone number, my direct line, call me. I'll take care of you. I'll spend as much time as you need, right? In this 10.5, be willing to spend time with people, be willing to have conversations so that you can close the deal. Be willing to take more time with anybody than anybody else, okay? You got one of 3 things to do from here, just one of 3. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.